Hey there car lovers, today we're diving into the 2025 Honda Accord and Civic, two legendary sedans that bring style, tech, and fuel-sipping performance to the streets. Whether you're eyeing the spacious comfort of the Accord or the sleek versatility of the Civic, we're breaking down everything you need to know. So buckle up, smash the like button, subscribe for more content, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a ride with us. The 2025 Honda Accord is back and bolder than ever, blending a smooth turbo power and fuel-sipping hybrid tech into a sleek, sophisticated package. With up to 204 horses and a jaw-dropping 48 mpg, it's the midsize sedan that doesn't compromise on performance or efficiency. Throw in its available 12.3-inch touchscreen and tech-savvy features, and you've got a ride that's as smart as it is stylish. The 2025 Honda Civic is small in size but huge on personality. Whether you're going with the efficient 2.0-liter gas engine or the punchy new 200 horsepower hybrid, the Civic stays zippy, sleek, and seriously fuel-friendly with up to 49 mpg. It's youthful, it's efficient, and it brings big value in a compact frame. From a crystal clear 12.3-inch touchscreen to available ventilated front seats and even a head-up display, the Accord is packed with premium goodies that make every drive feel first class. You'll also get heated rear seats and a luxurious heated steering wheel, because Honda knows how to pamper. Despite all that upscale shine, the Accord skips some practical touches like the deceleration selectors on its hybrid trims, something the Civic Hybrid Hatch nails. Plus, it falls short in rear seat heater ducts and cargo space compared to the Civic Hatchback. The Civic scores big with its better MPG, lower price tag, and the ever practical hatchback model that boosts cargo space and versatility. If you want fun and function in one affordable package, the Civic's calling your name. Some comfort and convenience features don't make the cut, like no standard sunglasses holder, remote start, or walk-away auto lock. And while it's modern, the Civic's tech can't quite match the Accord's luxe level, with a smaller screen and fewer high-end options. If you're after a midsize sedan that brings comfort, tech, and style all in one sleek package, the 2025 Honda Accord delivers. With available features like leather trimmed seats, wireless charging, dual-zone climate control, and a booming Bose sound system, the Accord feels every bit the premium ride. Plus, you'll still get great fuel economy thanks to the hybrid option, proving you don't have to sacrifice efficiency for luxury. And with Honda's signature reliability, you're set for the long haul. The 2025 Honda Civic is proof that small can be mighty. It offers impressive MPG, a fresh hybrid powertrain, and the versatility of a hatchback, all at a price that won't make your wallet cry. Even as the smaller sibling, it still shares a ton of premium touches with the Accord, like available leather seats, wireless phone charging, sporty drive modes, and adaptive cruise control. Whether you're commuting or cruising, the Civic packs big value into a fun, compact frame. Whether you roll with the Accord or sip around in the Civic, Honda's got your back with efficiency, comfort, and innovation. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.